I want to get this Nykaa haul to you guys ASAP. तो ये है Nykaa sale haul. मैंने literally बहुत कुछ मंगवाया है and ये है मेरे सारे recommendations. इसमें से कुछ तो वो है जो अभी आए हैं which I'll be opening in front of you, and some I have already used, but definitely they are worth recommending, like some of these things. और इसके बारे में मैं आपको अपना ख्याल बताऊंगी. The Pixie by Petra. This was such a viral blush. So I will be telling you my views about this as well. So let's get started straight away. पहले should I tell you my favorite current foundation? ये है Superstay 24 hours full coverage foundation from Maybelline, of course. तो ये जो formula है, it is very nice, and like I am a MAC foundation girl. मैं foundations में I just nothing can beat MAC for me. लेकिन this guy is so good. Is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. ये भी है the Maybelline New York Concealer. ये बहुत अच्छा है. It's very creamy. I think like just really like this. इसका formula मुझे इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. This is a little bit drying, but this is very creamy. Let's open up this guy now. So let's see what is in here. इनमें से कुछ मैंने खोले हैं, but कुछ मैं आपके साथ खोलने वाली हूँ. So, oof, pretty box. Nykaa, your beauty, our passion. Wow, what a cute box. Wow, very nice. So this, you get the first look. My first look. 100% authentic and genuine. एक किस्म का authenticity seal from Nykaa. Okay, everything is authentic. Very nice, very pretty pink. ये है मेरा invoice, the bill. Oh yes, so cute. Okay guys, इसमें से 2 चीजें free हैं. I am so happy. इसलिए मैंने इसको like let's just check. ये देखिए, this is how I do the unboxing. So oh yeah, so this is the Benefit brow pomade. ये जो है ना, I've been like wanting to try this. Something different for a change. Let's see this guy. Oh, Benefit है, so I have high hopes for this. Is this what it's supposed to look like inside? Take a good look. ये ऐसा लग रहा है यहाँ से, तो इसको तो यूज करने पे ही पता चलेगा कि how it is. इसके साथ this is free. This is the gimme brow. छोटा सा है, बहुत ही छोटा सा. The gimme brow is free. Oh, so cute. It's so small. Like let's see, so small and so very cute. ये है. This is a छोटा सा brow के लिए. I think मुझे लगता है the brush is very accurate. ये size तो of course mini है. It's a free product. उसके साथ if you buy Benefit तो those Nykaa gives those free things. So cute. The next thing is the BN tint. I love this product. This is so good. अभी I don't know, suddenly मुझे cheek tints का बहुत चस्का चढ़ा है. So I think I'll just show you what this looks like. So this is one set. The other things जो मैंने मंगाए हैं are in this box. इसको मैंने खोल के रखा था. Okay, the NYX thick sticks. This is the NYX thick stick, but I want to open it and show you guys what it's like. So as you can see, I've been on a big fat buying spree. ये है another cute product. Too Faced Killer Liner. So like this is what this looks like. ये एक लाइनर है. इसको तो चेक करना ही पड़ेगा आपके साथ to show you what this is. So it's so pretty. It's like a cute little thing. मुझे तो pink दिखते ही. Oh, that's nice. Let's just see this here. Very nice, very creamy, quite dark. This is a nice line. Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. ये तो आप सबके सब familiar है. I am ordering this in the shade chocolate. Yeah, this is chocolate. This was cost. ये सारे links भी नीचे होंगे and prices भी यहाँ पे होंगे. Is the pomade. Okay, here is the Pixie by Petra. अब इसके बारे में तो इतनी हाइप थी भाई साहब. So I got this. Literally ऐसा है ये. I have used this. इसलिए मैं आपको इसका एक अच्छा खासा रिव्यू दे सकती हूँ. तो ये ऐसा खुलेगा. It will go all the way up. This and this. And I can tell you it is a nice product, no doubt. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही शेड मंगाई है इसमें. Because I wasn't very impressed with the formula. मुझे I don't know, am I the only one who thinks that Pixie products are a little bit overrated. Like इसका जो जितना hype था, ये product उतना great तो नहीं है. इसके daddy, I'll show you the daddy of this guy. This is the daddy of that. This is the Peach Bloom ये टू फेस्ड का है, द पीच ब्लूम. आई हैव गॉट ऑल 3 शेड्स इन दिस. आई हैव गॉट ऑल 3 शेड्स ऑफ द पीच ब्लूम एज यू कैन सी हियर. दिस इज सो गुड. पहले मैंने एक मंगाया, आई ऑलवेज गेट वन एंड आई ट्राइड कि अच्छा नहीं लगा तो फिर लाइक यू नो व्हाई वुड आई स्पेंड माय मनी. दिस इज सो नाइस. मेरे पास है द फर्स्ट वन आई गॉट इज guava glow. उसके बाद I loved it, so I went for the strawberry glow, and then I finally went for the peach glow. And literally, I think एक तो मैंने खत्म ही कर दिया है. Let me just check, show you how this is. This is the peach bloom. It's literally matching my shirt. इसका जो ये आप देख रहे हो, see how fat. It's a doe foot applicator. इतना मोटा है ये, and this is so good. I just dab this on my cheeks. It's like a highlighter. It's like a blush. और इसका जो blush है, it is supposed to work with your skin and the warmth of your individual pH balance या जो भी होता है. I don't know. I'm not a chemist. इसका जो color है, it works with your skin and it literally मैंने देखा है like when I applied it slide and then with time it just becomes more glowy and a little bit more intense. ये product है. I think if you can only buy one, do buy these. There's no point buying that Pixie का thing. Also, here is another Pixie by Petra. Okay, so this, let me be honest with you. Should I be honest? Like, I am not at all very happy with this. ये थोड़ा सा disappointing था. Like, I'm feeling Pixie by Petra के जो products हैं, these are a little overhyped. They don't like, they're not as great as you know जैसे बताते हैं. So इसको मैं छोटा सा निकाल के आपको दिखाती हूँ यहाँ पे. Let me blend this for you. You will see इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा glowy पना नहीं है. After you put it on your skin, it looks like you know how it looks. It doesn't look glowy, illuminating. It just looks like a little like a film of something on your face, on your cheeks, you know. So I'm not a very big fan of this. I mean, अगर ये सूखेगा तो आप, I don't know if can you even see it. I don't know. If you had to only buy one product, please go for the two-faced one. This is all purchased by me. None of this is sponsored. Let me just tell you that. So I think वो हुआ, and then we have one last box to go. You know, one thing is, why does Nykaa pack इतनी बड़ी? Oh my God! I think इसमें I know क्या है. I think this has got one bloody eyeliner in it. That's it. And I wish they would send it all together. You know, like एक करके. कुछ चला तो नहीं गया. Always make sure that you know it's 100% empty. I knew it. It's just one single eyeliner. So ये है मेरा favorite. Maybelline का Colossal काजल. I love this because ये literally रहता है through my workouts when I sweat so much of pieces of workout. तो ये this stays. This is one of my most favorite, like you know. I think this is my 10th or 12th tube. Like you know, इतने सारे खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. So I hope I've gone through everything. कुछ रह तो नहीं गया. Alright guys, तो ये वाला है एक जो मैं दिखाना भूल गई थी in the main haul. So this is Etude House से 3 tints, lip tints and cheek tints. इसके साथ एक small cute little free pouch ऐसा आता है. This is a free little pouch. It's very cute. Main thing is these. So I'll just show you all 3 colors. So this is Etude House into Nykaa Perfect Pout All Day और ये है 3 shades. So I've just roughly given you a swatch of them. Of course ये water tints ही है just like the others. But first let me show you, then I'll tell you what I think about them. Okay, so इसका price है $8.99 and they are Dear Darling water tint into strawberry, cherry and orange ADE or whatever that is. So ये है this तो I really don't know what, like orange it's really not working. These two at least better. So ये रहे swatches, but they are not going to last very long. So मैंने इनको try किया है. I don't really recommend these unless like you're just looking for an inexpensive kind of a thing, you know, everyday के लिए. तब maybe it's your call. अब problem ये है कि the staying power is not at all good. और ये बीच वाला जो orange shade है, I just don't know what it's all about. So I'm not very sure about these. ये रहते भी नहीं है. They're like very cute and all, and Etude House is usually very nice. लेकिन इस बार I don't know. This is like really not working. So if you want to buy this, like be warned कि ये बहुत great नहीं है. I made it without the battery running out, at least on the DSLR. So that was it from me. ये सब मेरी Nykaa की recommendations हैं. And all of this is stuff which I have either used before या मुझे minis मिले हैं. Some of them I've used, like I have never used, जैसे कि ये. But I have high hopes because most of these high-end brands tend to perform well. हाँ कोई ज़रूरी भी नहीं है लेकिन but any which ways these are the things I got and I'll link them all down for you if you want to try something. आपको अगर पूछना है comments में आप मुझे please पूछ लीजिए and even after a while I can tell you like you know how they performed, कैसा था क्या था, and that's it from me. I'll see you later. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay beautiful. Bye.